Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the intrinsic system. And in the previous class, I discussed already about the extrinsic system for the blood coagulation. In there, the graph, we can see that there are the conversion of the factors into activated factors. So we remember that what factors are involved in that process. So there are the 5 steps for the blood coagulation. In the first step, there are the factor 12 is converted into the activated 12A. In the presence of HMW, kininogens and the prekallikrein, and that is the 12 factor activated 12 is converted the 11 to activated 11A. In the presence of calcium, and then the factor 9 is converted into activated 9 in the presence of the thrombin. So we can see that there are the blood trauma or contact with the collagen is directly converted to the platelet phospholipids, and the prothrombin, thrombin, and the factor 5 prothrombin activators. Prothrombin is converted into the thrombin calcium post. So that is the intrinsic pathway for initiating the blood clotting. Intrinsic system is more complicated, more prolonged. Fibrinolytics and kinin forming system are also inactivated. Enzyme cascade hypothesis McFarlane surface contact induces a sequence of changes in which an inactive precursor is converted into an active enzyme, which then act on the next precursor to form the next active enzyme. And here are the next is the in today class we discuss about the intrinsic pathway, and we discuss about the clotting factors, intrinsic system. And next is the factor, that is we see that the graph in this the 12 factor prekallikrein factor 11 and high molecular weight kininogens are known as the contact activation factor. And next is the factor 12 prekallikrein and the HMWK are essential for triggering the blood coagulation in a glass test tubes. However, they play no role in normal hemostasis since the patient with isolated deficiency of each of these do not bleed abnormally. Once the factor 10 is formed, clotting occurs within seconds. Contact with a foreign substance, that is glass or the urate crystals, produce the clotting only after 4 to 8 minutes. That is the overview of the clotting. Damage to the blood vessels, wall of the blood vessels, collagen exposed, vasoconstriction, platelet adhere and release the platelet factor, platelet aggregates into loose, platelets plug, temporary hemostasis and reinforced platelet plug float, tissue factors exposed, the coagulation cascade, thrombin formation, converts the fibrinogen to fibrin. So these are the overview of the clotting. In today's class, I discuss about the intrinsic system of blood clotting. Thank you for watching.